The higher education landscape is a very dynamic place in the United States today. Actually, I think in the world today. We see a direct connection between economic development and education. And higher levels of education tend to lead to higher areas of economic development. At the same time, the only way we're going to be able to reach that is by tapping into all of these different forms of higher education delivery that exist. And that means not only the campus-based education that is focused on the traditional student, but we're also going to need to look at the lifelong learner, the 58 million people who have some college but no degree. Half the world's population is under the age of 20. If we don't find ways of making education accessible, not only to our own young people and citizens, but also to those in other countries, we're going to see disruption in our societies. What I can tell you is that I have personally had the opportunity to see the kind of learning outcomes that come from online learning. And I can tell you that it is different. No arguing that point at all. It is different. But out of that difference comes opportunity for individuals who have constraints on their time, their energy, their ability to access a traditional. So it's not a case of one being better than the other. It's a case of online learning supplementing and adding to the options that are available to students, particularly older adult students.